Good afternoon, everybody. So today is Monday, December 14th, and we're at this next class, and I have a surprise for you guys. Because I'm feeling generous, I am going to let you not take a spelling test today. Yay! So happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, whichever one you celebrate, or if you celebrate it all, you're welcome. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on our lesson because we do still have a phonics lesson to do. Oops, that's the wrong one. Hold on. All right, so we are on lesson 15 today. So we're going to do some more mixing it up today. Our first word is the word black. Black. And we are going to say it without the ul sound. So what is the new word? It is back. Very good. Our next word is the word claim. Claim. We're rid of the ul sound. So what is our new word? It is came. Very good. All right, next word is the word slack. Slack. But we are going to say it without the s part. What is the new word? It is lack. Very good. All right, the next word is the word grow. Grow. But we're going to say it without the The word is go. Very good. The next word is the word true. True. We're going to change the t at the beginning to d. What's the new word going to be? It's going to be drew. Good. So true becomes drew. The next word is clap. Clap. And we're going to say it without the ul. So what is the new word? That's right, it's cap. Good. The next word is gold. Gold. And we're going to say it without the d at the end. What's the new word? It is goal. Good. The next word is the word scare. Scare. And we're going to change the k to p. What's the new word? Spare. Very good. Our next word is graze. Graze. We're going to say it without the g at the beginning. What's the new word? It is raise. Good. All right, and our last word is the word try. Try. And we're going to say it without the t part. The new word is rye, like rye bread. Okay, so our first word for our manipulating phonemes today, we're going to change those final consonant sounds. We have the word wait. Wait. How many sounds do you hear in the word wait? I hear 3 sounds in the word wait. I hear w-ate, w-ate. We are going to take this final consonant sound of t and we're going to change it to k. So now we have w-ake, w-ake. What is the new word on the curve? It is wake. Very good. Our next word is root. Root. How many sounds do you hear in the word root? I hear 3 sounds. I hear r-oot, r-oot. Good. We're going to take this final consonant sound and we're going to change it to r-oom, r-oom. What's the new word on the curve? It is room. Good job. Our next word is the word bat. Bat. How many sounds do you hear in the word bat? That's right. I hear 3 sounds. I hear b, at, b, at. But we're going to change this final consonant sound to k. So now we have b, ack, b, ack. What is the new word on the curve? It is the word back. Good job. Our next word is the word mug. Mug. How many sounds do you hear in the word mug? That's right. I hear 3 sounds. I hear ugh, ugh. Good. We're going to take this final sound, this g sound, and we're going to change to ch, m, ch, m, ch. What is the new word on the curve? It is much. All right. Our next word is the word wide. Wide. Sounds do you hear in the word wide? I hear 3 sounds. Wide, wide. Good. So we're going to change this final consonant sound to eyes, eyes. What's the new word on the curve? It is wise. Very good. The next word is booth. Booth. How many sounds do you hear in the word booth? I hear 3 sounds. I hear b, booth. So remember these 2 O's together say ooh, and the TH together says th. We're going to change the TH though to make it say just t. So it's b, oot, b, oot. What's the new word on the curve? It is boot. Very good. All right, and next word is pouch. Pouch. How many sounds do you hear in pouch? I hear 3 sounds. I hear p, ouch, ouch. Good. We're going to change this ch sound to t. So now we have out, out. What is the new word on the curve? That's right. It is pout. Good job. The next word is mat. How many sounds do you hear in the word mat? I hear 3 sounds. I hear at, at. Good. We're going to take this final consonant sound and we're going to change it to n. So it's and, and. What's the new word on the curve, guys? It is man. Very good. All right, our spoonerisms for today. It is light the lollipop. Light the lollipop. What do you think it's supposed to be? Do you need to see it? Light the lollipop. That's right. It is bite the lollipop. Good job, guys. You're so close. All right. So our learning targets for today are I can complete my spelling assessment, which I gave you a pass on. We're not doing that one. I can write the plural form of singular nouns, and we're not doing the last one either because we can't do that one on virtual learning because you have to be here with me to do it. So we have one learning target for today. I can write the plural form of singular nouns. Okay, so we're going to skip this part, and skip that part. All right, skip that part, skip that part. That's all your spelling test stuff that we're not doing today. Okay, so here we go. Today, we are going to review making singular and plural nouns. So remember, singular means you have 1. Plural means you have 2 or more. So singular means you only have 1 of something. Our example down here is skate. We have 1 skate. Plural means you have more than 1. We have 2 skates. So look at the picture of the pen. How many objects, how many objects do you see? There's just one. So the word is pen. There's one pen. I have one of this thing. So we see one pen. So this is a singular noun. It is by itself. It is a single pen. Okay. So now how many do you see? That's right. There are two of them now. So how do we write the word to show that there's more than one pen? How would we spell that? How would we say it? So to say the word, we would say pens. We add an S to the word to make it plural. We have more than one pen. We have two pens. Good. All right, so sometimes the S in plural nouns is not always pronounced s. Sometimes the S makes a buzzy sound like a Z, pens. So let's look at the word girl. How do we make this noun plural? How do we say that we have more than one girl? What do we do? Oops, wrong computer. So to make this say we have more than one girl, we would add an S to make it say girls. Good. So how do we make this word plural? The word is finger. Finger. What do we do if we have two or more? What would we say? We have two fingers. Good. We would add an S to the end of the word. The next word is pencil. How do we make this noun plural? Pencil. We just add an S to it. So now it becomes pencils. All right, so we have the word marker. How do we make this noun plural? We add an S and it becomes markers. We have the word tablet. How do we make this noun plural? That's right, we just add an S and make it say tablets. Good. All right, so let's look at this word. The word is dish. Is this a singular or a plural noun? Is there one or more of the dish? There is one. So it is a singular noun. So I want to make it plural. How do I do that? Think about that for a second. How do I make the word dish plural? So I want you to try to say the word the way that it would sound. Like if your mom says, go wash the, what does she say? Does she say, go wash the dish? Does she say, go wash the dishes? Or did she say, go wash the dishes? So does this look right? If we just added the S like we did in the other ones above, would this look right? This would be dishes. Does that sound right? Dishes. Does that sound right at all? It doesn't sound right. No. How should it be spelt? Spelled with an ES. So sometimes it's necessary to add ES at the end of the word to make it plural, not just S, but also ES. All right, so remember when a word ends in an SH, a CH, S, or X, you have to add ES to make it plural. Remember that if a word ends in a sound or spelling that is represented by these letters, you have to add ES, not just S. So let's look at the word, let's look at the word wish. Wish. where would it go on this chart? It would go in the SHs. That's right. So how would I make the word plural? Would I add an S or an ES? I would needed to add an ES. That's right. Let's look at some more words. We have the word dress, box, church, ditch, and fox. So these need to be turned into plural nouns. If it's an SH, a CH, an S, or an X on the end, what do we need to do to that word to make it plural? We add ES instead of just S. Very good. So if we have the word dress, what would we do to it? We would add ES. And where would I put it in this chart? Under the S. Good. What about the word box? It ends in an X. So I'm going to add an ES and I would put it over here in the X column. What about the word church? What does it end with? It ends with a CH. So I need to add ES at the end. And it's going to go here in the CH column. We have the word ditch. Ditch. It ends with a CH. So what do we need to do to it to make it plural? Add the ES and it goes in the CH column. And our last word is the word fox. It ends with X. So what do we need to do? Add ES and it goes in the X column. So here we have churches, ditches, dresses, boxes, foxes. All right, so again, when we have a word that ends with an S, an X, CH, if, let me say that again. If you have a word that ends with S, X, CH, or SH, you have to add ES at the end to make it plural. So let's look at this word game. How do we make this noun plural? How do I make it say more than one? How would you spell the plural of that word? You would just need to add an S because it does not end with CH, SH, S, or X. So remember that we only add S to make a noun plural if it does not end in CH, SH, S, or X. So we have a worksheet to work on today, just one. It's taking forever to come up. All right, and it is so easy, guys. So you're going to look at the picture and you're going to write the name of each picture correctly on the line as a plural, okay? So we have 2 plates here, so those are 2 dishes. Here we have a pig. If I have more than pig, what would I have? Did the directions say have students look at each picture and write the word correctly on the line? Well, actually, there's only one pig there. So what would we write? We would just write pig. There's only one. But what about over here? We have 2 benches. What would we write here? So would I write BENCHS? Or would I write ES? Which one should it be? S or ES? It's going to be ES because the word ends with CH. Okay? So the same thing here. There's only one what? There's only one fish. Over here we have 2 We have one duck, two ducks. So what do we have? We have two ducks. Okay. So you're going to put the name of the picture. If there's only one, you're going to leave it singular. If there's two, you're going to make it plural. See, I told you, easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right. Oops. There we go. So we are going to go all the way down to slide 52. And remember, we only had one learning target today, that I can write the plural form of singular nouns. And we have been practicing that all class. So actually is the whole lesson today, guys. Today was pretty easy. So I hope you guys go get that work done. It should be simple and fast. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Oh, and don't forget, today's magic word or secret word is candy cane. How about that? Let's do candy cane. All right. And I'm videos posted of me reading holiday books all week long. So feel free to listen to those if you don't celebrate winter holidays like Christmas or Hanukkah or Dolly or any of those things. You don't have to watch them. They're just extra for you to watch if you want. All right. I'll see you guys later. Bye.